If you want to make money online without showing your face, then do this. You might think that there are many online businesses that make money without showing your face. But unlike you think, there's just one single way to make money online without ever showing your face at all. Because even if you don't intend to show your face, you'll still have to hire someone to do that for you. It's better if you just get recognized yourself. But before that, let's talk about the best online business model where you need to show your face and your misconception with this online business model. But let me share this beforehand. It's going to be worth every second of you showing your face online because it makes mad sums of money. The number one on the list is the info product business. You need to start showing up with your face on their screens up front and start giving out free value, daily life advice, share your personal work, your passion projects, your takeaways in life, your everyday routine, your experiences, and more. In simple words, you need to show up online and start giving out free value on all social platforms that you use the most each day. Selecting 3 to 4 social platforms will be a wide source of traffic for you. All of this just to make watchers familiar with you, and based on the topic you talk and are curious about the most, you will further design a digital product in the form of an info product. Until here, you were just solving problems for others on the internet for free. But now, you will charge them for a fully fledged course, a program, an information product covering start to end on that topic that matters to humans. Online business courses work the best at this moment. Now don't confuse yourself into an online creator. A content creator, in other words, is an entertainer who'll do anything to steal your attention. You might as well end up becoming one if you don't realize this fact beforehand. The difference is, content creators make stupid amounts of views through their work, but won't be able to touch even a few $100,000 a month in profits after getting millions of views on their work, while an online business creator will make millions with just a few thousand views. So it's important to understand that showing your face online doesn't make you a clown. It makes you a clown when you do circus online. But when you show up with your face and trade value for time online, you will get paid excellently for your work as an online business creator. So choose to become an online business creator, not an online content creator. And even after so many realizations, if you still feel unsafe for your personality to start a fully fledged online business creator business, then the best way out is to become an online writer. You need to learn the skill of writing stuff that wows the mind of the user with nothing but just pure words. The catch is, you need to do everything a fully fledged online business creator would do on all social platforms, but this time with just words. Your words can't be mediocre. They can be someone's copied code. You need to write something mind-boggling and then upload it on the internet. Advice, thoughts, ideas, systems, routines, work ethic, business, mind, body, and soul. Everything. You need to write both short and long-form content with just a keyboard and a blank screen, and try your best to make it make sense without showing your face. There's just 2 pieces of advice that I can give you to begin this business model in the next 15 minutes. Start with hooks, and second, carry with storytelling. And thirdly, it's a bonus, you need to end with inspiration. If you pull this off clean, you will be able to make about the same amounts of money you would otherwise as a normal business creator. If you want to start with one of these business models and still can't figure out how, even after this video, then I'll leave a link to my personal procedures to build one, or even better, both of these businesses. Until then, bye.